Okay, so I changed out the curtains because I figured it needed some more blue than what the sheer. So I went and got the curtains. I'm gonna have to get some more blinds. That's behind. I think this one was okay, but this one's not. They're a little bit long, but I sort of just doubled them up. This is just for staging. So still got to paint the vent hoods. I think I'm just going to cover around it, tape it around it, and spray paint it so I don't have to take them off and try to hunt down some new ones. I got the curtains here to sort of go with the blue all the way around. How y'all like my little picture? I think it's pretty. And my little thing I made, I like that. I'm gonna take that home, I hope. But still got to change out the knobs on the top to gold like it is on the bottom, and then that's gonna make it pop in here. But we still got to get the refrigerator, the oven, and the dishwasher. I'm hoping that the dishwasher will just, there's a water line. I'm not for sure. If not, then I'm gonna have to have Tristan just build me some shelves in there, and they're gonna have to wash by hands. But what y'all think that kitchen looks like? Y'all think it's cute? After the appliances, I think it make it really, really pop. So, let me see. In here, there's not much to do. Like I said, we still gotta do that little trim here. They don't have doors on their closet, so they can get some other curtains. I just sort of those were in the living room. I didn't know where to put them, so I just stuck them in there. So to show them that, you know, you can do that, but it matches. So that's good. So I'm just gonna leave that as it is. I still got to put my covers on, clean the lights. In here you can see it a little bit better. Put the covers on. Gotta clean the toilet and all that, and spray paint that ugly vent thing. Put a light cover. I did get a light. I tried to do another light on the other side, but I guess it's not working or something. I don't know, but this is crooked. I gotta level that out. But I thought that was pretty. The guys did the tile and stuff so it all comes together. And then here it's not much. I did the same thing with that curtain. Still gonna take that out. Still gotta do I'm gonna paint the blades and then take this goofy ribbon out. I turned the lights off. That's about all in here. And then, hold on. Okay. Still got some work on the floors to do. Still don't know exactly what I'm going to do with the barn doors. I think I'm going to go with the dark walnut and then maybe a white trim. So that would be, but y'all, this looks a lot better. And then they built a box to cover that pipe up. But look what happened. Whoa, look at that tub. So when I started to clean, it was taken off. The previous owners must have had some kind of just enamel paint. So it was coming back almond. So we have a guy coming tomorrow to acid wash this and then do to repaint it, just resurface it and everything. And then I got Tristan. He's gonna have to patch that hole. I'm going to be restaining that, getting that back to where it needs to be. Again, we still got to do the shelves. So, and clean. I don't know if you can see how dirty that is, but I'm gonna clean all that. Don't know really what to do with that. That was a heater that the owner took out when he put in the AC unit, so the filter is just laying on there. I don't know how good that's working, but that's an eyesore to me. I don't know what to do with that. I don't know. Y'all have any suggestions? Let me know, because if we just completely take it out, there's going to be a hole there, and yeah, I'm at a loss. I don't know what to do with that. So yeah. So let me know what y'all think. If you think it's looking better, day by day, night by night. So let me turn you around so you can get those right there smell so good. I just got them at Walmart, and I got blue because y'all know that I'm doing just a touch of blue, the dark stain, and the dark blue and white. Okay, keep watching, y'all, for the final results.